Actually, yung signing na to, hindi ko inaasahan kasi nga abogado ako. Kasi ba, alam niyo yung ginagawa natin. Sabi ko nga nag-appear ako sa TV, pero as a political analyst, as a legal expert, kunwari matalino, mga ganyan, hindi ba? Tapos, I discovered comedy about 4 or 5 years ago, and then I got the hang of it. May mga nanonood na. Dati nga walang nanonood, isa, dalawa lang. Tapos nung may nanonood na, I was able to do shows at Viva Cafe and Greyhound. And both of these establishments are owned by Boss Vic. So maganda yung feedback, maganda yung kita, and people are having fun. So sabi ni Boss Vic, gusto mong pumirma na lang din dito. Initially, ayoko pa nga. Di ba yung joke ko nga, finally nag-text ako. Sabi ko, handa na ako sa mature roles. So akala ko Viva Max, hindi naman pala. So yun, that's how it started. Sabi ng asawa ko, give it a try. Because this is really all new for me. Hindi ko naman to pangarap. Kasi ibang mga tao, di ba? Pangarap talaga nila ito. Ako hindi So ang saya-saya lang ng feeling na you're doing something na wala sa radar or sa radar and yet you're doing it. Parang ganun. Well, una-una, hindi ako sanay, hindi ko siya pangarap. Pero bakit naman ako mag-iinarte? Hindi ba you're being offered something na people can only dream about? Ang sinasabi ko lang, hindi ko siya pangarap, hindi siya sa radar ko. But if it's offered to me, of course, you couldn't be more honored, ano? Sarap kaya ng feeling. So, pero isipin, artista na ako. Kahit hindi, kahit wala nakakakilala sa akin, at least, Viva artist. So, why would you say no to that, hindi ba? Well, masaya kasi Viva Para pwede kong iyabang. Kumbaga sa school mo, nasa law school ka, atinista ako. Ano kayo? Parang ganun yung dating. This is Viva. At the end of the day, Viva is Viva. Ang Viva, kumbaga, part and parcel na siya ng history ng entertainment. Diba? There wouldn't be any entertainment without Viva to begin with. Siyempre, I'm gonna be doing stand-up comedy. Hopefully, sana lumaki yung platform. Hopefully, maraming mapag-showan. Hopefully, maraming mabigay na projects for purposes of doing stand-up comedy. Sana magka-special ako sa Netflix, who knows? But I have to prove my worth, of course. Pagka maganda naman yung, I think, maganda naman yung dating dito. Sana, makapag-perform sa mas malaking venues. Pangarap ko talaga sa stand-up comedian, makapag-perform ako sa MOA, yung mga ganyan. But that's really a tall order kasi hindi ako sikat Meron akong following, pero hindi siya yung following na if I do a show at the Music Museum, pwede kong punuin yon. Pero not MOA, hindi ba? So yun yung pangarap ko, sana.
Like in a big arena.
Big arena talaga. Who wouldn't dream of that, hindi ba?
Do you have any more dream projects that you like to do?
Actually, hindi ko alam kasi yung pinirmahan ko lahat may film, may TV. Sana yung talk show, I think I'd be a good game show host. I think I'd be a good game show host. Of course, Ding Dong, for example, if he's doing Family Feud, he's doing extremely well. But I think if I can get to do that, it would be very, very funny. Tingin ko lang naman. So yung mga ganun, I think I could do those. Pero yung movies, definitely hindi. Wala akong alam dun I haven't even done it. So, baka nga wala akong talent. I really don't know. Well, actually, kaibigan ko si Jano. So, si Jano Gibbs kasi we play badminton together. And before I became a Viva artist, nag-uusap na kami. Actually, we wanted to have our own podcast. So, now that I'm part of the family, so I'm pretty sure it would be easy to collaborate with them now. Kung baga, dadalhin niya ako, syempre, si Jano Gibbs siya. Actually, wala naman siyang mapapala sa akin. Ako may mapapala sa kanya. So, and hopefully lang we can collaborate on a show together. Napag-usapan namin yun kasi si Jano is extremely funny, extremely creative. He is. Isa siya siguro sa pinaka-creative na tao na nakilala ko. Pag nakausap mo si Jano, kung gaano siya kagaling mag-isip ng comedy, sobrang galing. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, huwag mo nang gawin itong stand-up kasi pag ginawa natin itong stand-up, hindi na ako mapapansin. Magaling siya. Even sa act-out kasi lalo pa artista siya. He's extremely good. Fan ako ni Jano when it comes to doing comedy. Actually, wala naman. Kasi naniniwala ako na Viva can only do so much. Kung wala akong project, ibig sabihin I'm not effective. Kasi di ba naman, ano yan di ba sa economic supply and demand yan. So kung maraming nagde-demand sa'yo, di ba? So mas maganda yung presyo mo, di ba? In demand ka. So kaya ganun pag sinabi, pati hindi ako binigyan ng project, I understand that because if I'm not effective and I'm not bringing anything to the table, so definitely wala akong project. So at the end of the day, kung walang mangyari sa career ko, either wala akong talent talaga or kasalanan ko yon. You shouldn't blame the outfit for anything. It's not their fault. Kasi they only act accordingly Di ba? Pagka magaling ka at na maraming nagugustuhan sa'yo, Siyempre, definitely they'd be giving you more projects. Good day to everyone. I'm Edward Chico. I'm actually a lawyer who's also stand-up comedian. Happy ako kasi naging Viva artist na ako ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako papadpadin dyan. Pero ang sigurado ako, ang career ko hindi ako sigurado. Ang sigurado ako, kung gusto niyo ng juicy news, magandang balita at entertainment, bisitahin niyo na yung Pika Pika. Kasi ito dito sa Pika Pika, parang pagkain to eh. May mga Pika Pika ng informasyon. Wala pang main course, busog ka na.